so we have a new record coming out on June 9th. Finally, I know. We worked until we were pleased, so sorry about that. So hopefully you're equally as pleased. But we're going to play a few of those tracks for you now. It's part of the reason why we're out here. So thanks for listening. Thanks for coming out. And Pelican's up next. So, yes.
You left a void so wide. Gonna get all that you asked for. It's gonna eat you up. It's gonna drag you down. Gonna get all that you want. Looking for a savior. Not what you see. Looking for a savior. What you retaliate. It's what you retaliate. What you retaliate.
Okay, another new song. Hope you enjoy. Lots of love in the air. Okay. We don't schedule our own shows, but we want to come back. And you said that with a passion that's appealing. Okay. Sorry, this song's gonna be slideless. I know, I fucking suck at it, I don't care. It's the only one we know, that's right. Lots of love in the air again.